Hi everyone, I am Fawad and in this video I'm going to tell you converting rates. So guys, we have two questions. Question number one, we have to convert 2 quart per minute into gallons per second, and this is the rate. It's the unit rate and you have to convert into other units. Okay guys, now question number two, we have 75 cents per hour and we have to convert this value to dollars per day. How can we do this conversion? So guys, here first step is copy this number 2. The second step, this is quart and you want to go in gallons. So check their relation. So gallon and quarts, in 1 gallon there are 4 quarts, okay, 4 quarter. So quart is a smaller unit, gallon is a bigger unit. So what you will do, from quart to gallon you will divide. So guys, because this is a numerator, so you will write 1 over 4. Here you put multiplication sign, you put write 1 over 4, you put this fraction sign over here, this line over here, and instead of quart mention here gallon. Next step is minutes to seconds. So guys, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So because from bigger to smaller unit you want to go, so 1 minute 60, so 60 you will multiply and you just write here 60, and instead of minutes just mention here seconds. Now guys, you have this type of number with you, this type of fraction with you, so you have to simplify it. For this you must know some simplification methods. So guys, here now it's very simple, 2 times, because there is a fraction in the numerator. So the rule is, whenever there is a fraction and there is another fraction in the numerator, so this denominator and this denominator will multiply. So the simplified form will come 1 over 60 times 4, and the units will become gallons per second. So guys, we just simplify it, 2 divided by 240. So the answer will come 1 over 120 gallons per second. So guys, this answer will go in the blank. Okay, you can also mention in the, if you press the SD button on the calculator, it will be 8.33 times 10 power minus 3. You can also mention that, or I will write 8.33 times 10 power minus 3. This 3 and bar I put because this is recurring and non-terminating, so I can put that bar. So guys, this is how we can convert. I hope you understand. Guys, let's have a look on the next conversion. 75 cents per hour to dollars per day. So guys, just copy, first step is to copy this value, then put the multiplication sign, then check cent and dollar, what is the relation. So guys, $1 is equal to 100 cents. That is a symbol for cents. You can also just write C or C and a slash on C. So guys, cents to dollars, because smaller to bigger, so you will divide. So same thing as you did up, 1 over 100, and you write here dollars instead of cents, and put the division sign, divide by hour. So hour to day, so this is also a smaller unit, you have to go into bigger. So 1 day equal 24 hours, so you will divide the 1 which is over here with 24, and write here the days. Okay guys, now as you can see, you have a big fraction, and in numerator you also have a fraction, and denominator you have a fraction. So for this I told in my previous videos that if such situation will come, so this denominator fraction will invert, we have a numerator 1 over 100 and denominator 1 over 24. So whenever we have such situation, we have to multiply the two fractions together like this, and keeping the units dollar per days. So guys, this I will calculate. 75 times 1 over 100, you just use your calculator, times 24, and your answer will come $18. Sorry, I will write like this, the rate, dollars per day. Well guys, I hope you understand these conversion rates. So see you again with a new video. If you have any question, mention in the comment box. Have a good day. Bye bye.